the farm animals. It's a cuddly sheep from the flock, and it makes sound. It's a cute little piggy, and it makes sound. Now, it's time to see your favorite animal. Oh, don't be scared. It's a cow from the herd, and it makes sound. Sheep. Piggy.